A coolant system, also known as a cooling system, is a vital component in many mechanical and electrical systems. Its primary function is to regulate and dissipate excess heat generated by various processes or machinery, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal operating conditions. Coolant systems are commonly used in automobiles, computers, power plants, industrial machinery, and other applications where heat management is critical. The coolant system typically consists of several key components. 1. Coolant, a specialized fluid, often a mixture of water and antifreeze, that circulates through the system to absorb heat and carry it away from the heat source. 2. Radiator, a heat exchanger designed to transfer heat from the coolant to the surrounding air. The radiator typically consists of a network of small tubes or channels that allow the coolant to flow through while maximizing its contact with the air. 3. Water pump, a mechanical pump that circulates the coolant through the system. It helps maintain a constant flow of coolant, ensuring efficient heat transfer and preventing overheating. 4. Thermostat, a valve that regulates the flow of coolant based on the engine's temperature. It opens and closes to control the coolant flow between the engine and the radiator, optimizing the engine's operating temperature. 5. Fans, electric fans located near the radiator that assist in cooling the coolant when the airflow is not sufficient. These fans are controlled by temperature sensors and can activate automatically when needed. 6. Hoses and pipes connect the various components of the coolant system, allowing the coolant to flow between them. 7. Expansion tank, also known as a coolant reservoir. This container provides additional volume for the coolant as it expands and contracts due to temperature changes. It also serves as a point to add or remove coolant as needed.